What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. It's the beginning of March, right? It's a new month, and I'm super excited for this new month. We just officially launched a couple of days ago with my software business. If you're somebody that wants to have your own software business and earn unlimited $200 commissions, you want to pay attention and watch this video all the way to the end. And today, I'm seriously still in my pajamas, and another $200 commission came through. And that's amazing because it makes me think and go back to when I used to work at my 9-to-5 jobs. I had to work, 12 hours in one single day to earn a little bit over $100. I had to physically be on my feet, working for people I didn't even like, working with coworkers that that didn't have a strong work ethic. And so, waking up at 4 a.m. to go to one of my jobs, and it's just not worth it, right? So, what affiliate marketing has allowed a lot of people to do is create time freedom. Okay, what is time freedom? Time freedom, is when you can wake up when you want. You don't need an alarm clock. You can go to sleep when you want. You can have some lunch when you want. I'm actually gonna pump some gas right now, but you can do all those things when you want. You don't have to ask for permission for vacation. You don't have to ask for permission for, to go travel somewhere. You don't have to ask for permission to go to one of your kids' soccer game. It's you are the boss. You are the creator of the lifestyle that you want to have. And so that's what I wanted to share with you guys. All right, that's what I wanted to share with you. And this is what this business opportunity is allowing me to create for myself, for my family. And also, some of my team members are completely crushing this opportunity, right? Are making more than me. So that is amazing. So I just wanted to talk about my software business, and it's a product that a lot of affiliate marketers need. If you are somebody that wants to use software to automate on how you get leads and how you get sales using Facebook, you definitely want to check this out. Go ahead and click on the link below. It'll take you to create your account, and then get started with the team. It's a one-time payment of $200 plus the one-time payment of $50 for the admin fee. Once you pay that, you get your own phone number. You get 100 credits as a bonus, and then you get your own affiliate link website to promote, to share that with other people to get started. And then you're going to get your software. They just released the 12 different softwares that is included already within the one-time payment of $200. That's included already. You don't have to pay a monthly fee for that software. Once you join, you're going to get access to those 12 softwares and be able to resell those for 100% of the commission. So take action today. I'm also going to give you access to my 6K bonus training, where I show you step by step on exactly what strategies I use that allow me to receive these instant notifications, getting paid straight to my account. So take action today. Other than that, I will see you at the top.